Identify your niche. Find a niche that you are passionate about and has market demand. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or any other skill, focusing on a specific niche can help you stand out. Build a strong online presence. Create a professional online presence through a personal website or portfolio. Use social media platforms to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients or customers. Freelancing platforms. Join freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find clients and gigs. These platforms connect freelancers with businesses and individuals looking for specific services. Online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing can help you reach a wide audience. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies through affiliate marketing. Earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates and ShareSale are popular affiliate marketing programs. Create and sell digital products. Develop digital products such as stock photos, illustrations, templates, or software. Sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Remote work opportunities. Look for remote job opportunities on websites like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, or Indeed. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work from anywhere. Online surveys and reviews. Participate in online surveys or write reviews for products and services on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon's Mechanical Turk. While not extremely lucrative, it can be an additional income stream. Investing and trading. Learn about online investing or trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or forex. However, be cautious and only invest what you can afford to lose. Platforms like Robinhood or eToro make it easy to get started. Freelance writing or blogging. If you enjoy writing, consider freelancing or starting your own blog. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Platforms like Medium or WordPress can help you get started. Remember, success in making money online often requires time, dedication, and continuous learning. Always be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes, and do thorough research before investing time or money into any online opportunity.